Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Couple of quick clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that'll walk you through the futures market and how they all work. But if you are a stock or options trader suffering under the pattern day trading rule, then good news, maybe this will pique your interest in futures. There is zero pattern day trading rule, so you can day trade as much as you want every single day. Second, I am trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using? All that can be found up that link you see above. I'll also put it down below. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to put very little of your money at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So I am watching for a potential trade here, just watching and observing. So I'll pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a trade. All right, watching here to potentially get long at this moving average area. In. See if it wants to give me a bit of a bounce here. Why am I not? All right, well, I'm not sure why it's not letting me buy. I wanted to add more down there. Yeah, this should be a green trade right now. I can get up to 6. What is going on? All right, this should totally be a green trade already for me. Why did it not let me buy? All right, well, this is about to be a... Yeah, 3. I can get up to 6, right? Oh, no, I'm on the wrong account. Oh, no. Oh, this sucks. Oh, no. Oh, that is painful. All right, let me explain. Oh. All right, so in the world of prop firms, there's 2 types of accounts. You gotta first usually pass a test phase to get what's called a pro account, and then the pro account is where you start to make money, get to keep it. Because first you have to prove yourself. And this was a pro account. I forgot to change. I wanted to pass another test, get it over to the pro account status. But this was a pro account, so I totally. Oh. So in this pro account, I could only buy 3 because based on the size of the account, you can only get up to certain amounts of contracts. But I had no idea that was, so that's why I couldn't buy anymore. And like I said, it was fine. That little bounce up there would have given me enough time to wiggle out, but that is a massive buzzkill. So I just roasted. So this account, now I didn't lose $1,560, but I did lose my account. I lost my pro account on that. Oh, that is so discouraging. Well, it is what it is at this point. That account is gone. So in the prop firm, this is through a prop firm where you want to hold on to your pro accounts because, I mean, you can get, it's just, honestly, I don't want to get too far down in the weeds, but I know some prop firms, like, dude, like some of these prop firms, it's super easy to pass, and that's fine. But this firm takes a little bit more to get through the testing phase and all that to get the pro account. So that's why I'm lamenting this one a little bit more, because this was with the prop firm Take Profit Trader, and they have, once you get to the pro phase, you can start to get paid as often as you want. You can you request payments every day. Not all prop firms are like that. That doesn't make those other ones a scam or anything like that. I'm just saying that's why the Take Profit Trader accounts are valued like gold when you get to that pro account, because of the way the prop firm has their payment structure set up. But I just roasted it. So again, that is a nice thing about prop firms, is it's not like I just lost $1,560 out of my own pocket, which is nice, but I did lose the prop firm itself. Now I can always go and get another pro account. I do have other pro accounts that I can use, so it's not like the end of the world, but to lose a pro account like that when I wasn't, I thought, like I said, I thought this was just another kind of a test phase account which I was working on trying to pass. All right, well, that is very discouraging. I'm just going to go ahead and probably call this one good because the winds have been knocked out of my sails on that. All right, well, this will be an embarrassing one to post. Roasting a pro account, and I didn't even know I was trading the pro account. And then I was like getting all like, wait, what's wrong with my broker? What's wrong with the platform? Why doesn't it let me buy more? No, it was all me. It was all me the entire time. Well, trolls, have at it. I deserve every bit of it in the comment section on this one. So, all right, well, I'm not even going to talk about anything that I have to offer because why would you want anything I have to offer after that performance? Well, that's a bummer. Everybody take care. Have a good one.